Hi guys, this is Primrose and welcome back to my channel. And I have been repotting some of my plants, and I have been seeing this a lot in my old soil, from the pots. And look at this, guys. I have earthworms inside my plant container, and I know it's healthy for your plants, but I am scared of earthworms. So I don't know how these creature survive inside the container. I grow all of my houseplants indoor, and I make my own potting soil, and that's coming from the old soil from my plants. And then I put some used tea bags, used coffee grounds, and I usually collect some eggshells from my in-laws and I crushed it and mix it. I also add some banana peel. I dried them very well, and I sprinkle some gravel as well. I have been wanting to purchase pumice rock, but I have never gotten to ordering them online. And you guys, I know it is healthy for the plants, but I am so scared of earthworms. Oh my gosh, that is so long. So what I have been doing is I put them back. I've got dirty hands. I like to touch the soil with bare hands anyway. I don't use gloves. So I have to use a old fork to kind of lift it up and put it back into the container. Please share some thoughts. Do you see these creatures in your coming from your pots, from your container as well? Because sometimes when I water my plants and I just see them coming out from the bottom of the pots, so I just leave them alone. And it has been a struggle for me because I do not like earthworms. So I usually do my repotting when my husband is around because I do not want to deal with that on my own. But today I thought I'd be brave and repot some of my plants by myself. And also another ingredient for my compost is this. I mix it in the old soil, and I usually mix this in the winter time, and that way it will be ready for me to use the next potting season, which is around springtime or summer. So you guys, please give me some thoughts if that is healthy, because I know you have to feed these creatures for them to live, to survive. But I honestly do not know how they manage to live, to survive, to thrive inside those small pots. And do you guys make your own soil, your own compost? When I make my own compost, I am not very precise. I'm just kind of feel it in my hands and see if it's a good mix or not. And so maybe one day I wanted to be able to make a perfect ratio, and that way I will be able to share with some growers who are interested to make their own potting soil. At first, it's a kind of experiment for me. I like experimenting and see the results. So I thought I'd share that with you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.